Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing great. Today I've come with another amazing recipe of how to make chicken manchurian. So let's get started. First of all, we need 4 to 500 grams of boneless chicken, half teaspoon black pepper powder, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon vinegar, half teaspoon soy sauce, 2 to 3 garlic cloves chopped, 1 diced onion, 1 diced capsicum, 4 stems of chopped green onions, 1 tablespoon flour, 4 tablespoon corn flour, and 1 egg. Now things we need for gravy are 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon chili sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, and 1 chicken cube. Now we will combine water with corn flour for the thickness of the gravy. Keep adding water and nicely mix. And then set aside. Now I'm going to marinate chicken. First of all, add salt. Then add black pepper powder. Add white pepper powder. Add vinegar, soy sauce, ginger garlic paste, and mix everything well. Then leave for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add flour, add corn flour, and then add egg. I'm mixing everything nicely. Take a pan, add oil and heat it, and then add your chicken and fry it. I fried them until golden. Do not burn them, and it should look like this. Then take a pan, add oil, and I'm adding chopped garlic. Cook this until golden brown, and then add onions. Add capsicum. Add vinegar. Add soy sauce. Then add chili sauce. Add black pepper powder, white pepper powder, add sugar. I'm adding a chicken cube and dissolve it. Add spring onions. At last, add 4 tablespoons of ketchup. Mix everything well and add 3 glasses of water. Let the water boil, and then I'm adding corn flour to thick the gravy. Keep adding until the gravy is thick and keep mixing. Once that's done, add your chicken you prepared before. And we are done. Our chicken Manchurian is ready. Take it out in a plate to serve. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to like, comment and share. And please subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.